Hello, good evening to everyone. It's me, Zhaneth again. Welcome back to my channel. This evening, I would like to share to all of you two kinds of tote bag that might be a gift or a best gift o magandang pangregalo. I always make a beautiful, durable my tote bag. And I always improve my work so that every time you can see how you improve yourself, how to improve your work. That's why I always discover how to make my project beautiful, nice, clean. I always apply to myself my work because I don't like the things is not good, is not clean. That's why I always apply to myself. That's why I always show you how I make my project. Just the same with this project this evening. I put the ribbon on it and make clean and durable of this project. So this evening, this is our project that we learn. And you can see how I make this beautiful project. And I show you why I put the snap button reverse to this project. That's why I want to share the video this evening how I make this one. So stay tuned and join me until my video is done. Now this is our materials. This is my handle. This is how I prepare the handle. The size of this one is 4 by 17. That's the size of my the length is 17, the wide is 4. And this is my pocket. This is for my pocket. And this is the main tote bag. Yeah, the size of this one is 14 by 15. That's the size of my tote bag. That's the color I want for my first tote bag that I would like to share. Now, the handle, I prepared the handle, I fold it into 4. Just you shown like that. I fold and I iron it. That you can see, that is the procedure how I make my handle so that more durable and beautiful. I sew to the both edges of this handle that you can see how I sew the handle. That's the result after I prepare the handle for my tote bag. Now I prepare for my ribbon. This is for my ribbon. Yeah. I sew to the edges. This in procedure I fold into 4, but this one is a little bit small because it's for my snap button to cover it. Yeah, that's how I put my snap button. Yeah, I put reverse so that because I also hide the snap button, that's why I put reverse. The ribbon I put under, and the top is like that. So to cover that one, I prepare some ribbon so that the outcome is more beautiful. Yeah, so that's why I put the snap button like that, reverse. Yeah. And then I put the packet first. I sew to the edges. Yeah, that you can see the ribbon on the top, the reverse one. Because I would like to put the ribbon is more presentable. Yeah. That's how I now I put the ribbon already to my pocket that you can see. And then after that, after I fix the ribbon, I sew to the edges of my pocket. Yeah, that's why I prepare like that. Yeah. For easiest one, you must prepare first everything, the stop button, the ribbon, before you fix to the main tote bag, just you shown to by video. Yeah. I put pocket also to that bag inside. Now after I sew to the edges of my tote bag, I fix the handle like that, and I sew to the edges that you can see. That's how I make my tote bag. But to more clean and durable, I put this type of lace, or what we call that one. I don't know how to call that one. I call that one is this one is also using for the handle, but I put around to my tote bag to the top, and then sew to both edges so that the handle is durable, and then the tote bag also durable and look clean and nice. That's how I make my tote bag. Now I sew to the edges. Yeah, that first tote bag is done. That you can see, my first tote bag is done already. The size is just nice, not too big, not too small. And yeah, that you can see pocket, and then the ribbon is picked nicely. Because before I sew to the main tote bag, I put first the pocket inside, the pocket outside, put the ribbon, and put the snap button before I sew to the edges and put the handle. That's my procedure how I make my tote bag, so that is more presentable. So that's it. And this is my second tote bag, and I prepare also the same with my first one. How I make the handle, I pulled into four, and sew to the edges, or before I sew to the edges, I iron first. If you don't want to iron, it's up to you. For me, it's easy for me, so I iron the handle before I sew to the edges. Now I prepare my pocket the same as before. Yeah. And this is the main tote bag of my second project. And this is after I sew to the edges. That's the result of my handle. Yeah. And continue sewing, and prepare our pocket, and put also the snap button reverse, because I put also a ribbon to this tote bag for more practice. Yeah. So I prepare already and put the snap button like that. And also I prepare the ribbon for this one, so that I can cover the snap button and more presentable. Yeah, just I make like that. I put extra design. I make flower roses to fix to my ribbon, just you show to the video like that. If you want to learn to the making to the making the ribbon, you can see to my other videos. Yeah. Now we fix the pocket before after I put the ribbon to my pocket. That you can see is hidden already the snap button. Yeah. Why I put the ribbon to my snap button? Because I make reverse the snap button so that the ribbon more beautiful inside, that you can see the holes. So that's why I put the snap button reverse. Yeah. So that the outcome is more beautiful. And you can make also no need to put some ribbon. Just no need to reverse the stop button, but for me it's more beautiful if I make like that. It's look clean in neat if I make like that. And yeah, discover design to make the things nicer one. Now I put the pocket inside. I love to put pocket to my tote bag, inside and outside before I sew to the edges. So I sew to the edges of this tote bag. Yeah. So that your project is clean, you can see the fabric like that, not reverse. You sew first to the edges and turn the fabric and sew it again so that the outcome is clean. Yeah, you sew like that. The fabric is like that. You sew first to the edges and turn and sew it again. So the tote bag, I sew 2 times to those both edges. Yeah, I sew like that first, everything. And to hide those not nice edges, I turn it like that and sew it again. Like that. I sew it again. Yeah, I fold it. I reverse. Just you can see, I turn my tote bag like that and sew it again to the edges before I fix the handle, so that the tote bag is more clean. If you didn't put some lining, that's my procedure. Because I love my project is clean. Yeah. Because all the time when I make my project, I always apply to myself. If so dirty, I don't like to see the dirty project. That's why I would like clean, that you can see. And then I put extra like this for my handle to hide the top edges of my tote bag like that. And sew to the both edges so that the tote bag is more durable, clean, and neat. Be sure if you are making your project, make sure that that is durable and clean. Always apply to yourself. If you don't like not nice bag, so you must make a nicer one so that everybody like your project. And if somebody buy a tote bag for you, they are always coming back because your project is clean, your work is clean and durable. That's the that's the reason I make like that. Now our project is done. That you can see my project. That's the improvement of my project. I make it also durable, clean, that you can see. Yeah, durable. And also I put ribbon to hide my snap button to look more beautiful. That's the improvement I make, that you can see the flower, the ribbon flower. Yeah, that's the improvement of my work. And I show you one more project. This lighter color. Yeah, it's durable also. Yeah, and put also the snap button, and also you can see inside is clean and beautiful. See, I show you also the snap button have a ribbon to hide that snap button to more presentable and beautiful. Yeah, that's the improvement of my project. So if you have any comment regarding about this one, just comment down below. I answer as I can. Good evening to everyone and see you to my next video.